everybody, Peyton and I are here with another video, and we're doing something in the crock pot as a side dish for Thanksgiving. You know, you get so wrapped up with the oven for the turkey and all your side dishes on the stove and in the oven, so we thought we'd take some of that stress off of you by helping you find a really awesome recipe. It's called a corn casserole made in the crock pot. We had a little twist to it. So let's get started. Before I say any more though, let me remind you to go follow Rebekah Picchi's on YouTube and Vickie Wright, because that's who we're collaborating with for this awesome Thanksgiving collaboration for side dishes. There's lots of awesome people in it, so find the collaboration and let's make this work. Okay, so first we're going to start with 2 cans of creamed corn. And we're going to put the two cans of creamed corn into the bowl. And we're going to mix it up. Okay, so you're going to do the 2 cans of creamed corn and 2 eggs. So I'm going to break up the eggs. And Peyton's going to put the other can of creamed corn in. And he's going to mix it up really well with the whip. So he's going to do it nice and hard so that the eggs really get whipped up. Okay, so now that's nice and mixed. Now he's going to pour the little thing of butter into the crock pot so that it can go all over the crock pot and kind of grease the bottom of the crock pot. Now he's going to pour in the 2 boxes of Jiffy corn muffin mix. Okay. Now he's going to mix that up really well because it's the dry ingredient, so you want to make sure that you get that really mixed in good. Now that that's all mixed, he's going to put in the whole kernel corn. Okay, so you're going to want to have the big can of the whole kernel and the 2 small cans of creamed corn. Okay. Okay. All right, and now he's going to add in more butter. That's about 6 tablespoons of butter. There's a little bit left in it. Okay. And then he's going to add the cup of cheese. We use the mixed cheese, but you can use cheddar. You can use any kind of cheese that you want. And he's going to mix that up really good. Okay, that's mixed up really good. Now is our secret ingredient. Okay, so our secret ingredient is, see, that is the Guacamole Salsa, sour cream, and White Bull's barbecue taco uppercut. So you're going to have 1.5 tablespoons of taco uppercut. You're going to use 3/4 cup of sour cream and almost little under 1/2 cup of the salsa. And mix that up really good. And then pour that into your mixture. Okay, so you're going to stir that in really good. It's going to be a little hard because you've got the corn and the muffin mix in there. So once that's all really stirred, then you can pour it into your crock pot. Okay, so you're going to want to really scrape it so that it all gets out. Okay, and then you can stir it one more time while it's in the crock pot. So it's all really stirred up good. Okay, and then shut the lid, but before you shut the lid, okay, so what you want to do though is you want to put double folded over paper towel and then close the lid and seal it. And leave that in there for 2.5 to 3 hours until you can tell it's completely cooked all the way through in the middle. Okay, so sour cream, guacamole salsa, and taco uppercut are our special ingredients for this. So when there's about 45 minutes left, you're going to want to put the rest of your taco uppercut seasoning in and your guac salsa. Pour it in and then mix it up real good. And then you're going to let it cook for about another 45 minutes. Okay, so our corn casserole in the crock pot is done. So Peyton's going to scoop out a few scoops of it so you can see what it looks like. Looks really good. Okay, we just wanted to say thank you to Rebekah Picchi and to Vickie Wright for inviting us to be in this Thanksgiving side dish YouTube collaboration. Please be sure to follow them and all the other awesome women that are putting their recipes on the collaboration. Hope you find lots of easy recipes for Thanksgiving to make Thanksgiving that much less stressful. Have a good day and good eating.